Oh, we are currently boondocking at the in-laws' house, at Lisa's dad's house, for a couple weeks to 2.5 weeks. We'll be setting out in about a week. But anyways, I wanted to show what I've been doing. The oxidation on this wasn't too bad, especially this side under the awning. The left side is really bad. So I'll get that to another day. I'll get to that another day, but I don't know if you can see the difference. It's hard to see on camera. When I do the other side, there'll be a more noticeable difference. But so I went to Walmart, bought one of these for 60 bucks. And I've been using this Meguiars Marine RV One Step Compound. It works really good. Really happy with the way it looks. But the top side, the oxidation is really bad. So that's gonna take me, well, I gotta go up on the roof and do most of that. Here's maybe a better view of what's going on. You can see the difference. It really gets oxidized. You can see the difference? Yeah, it's a little better. But yeah, the other side is worse. The roof is the worst part. I won't be doing the rubber part of the roof, but just this fiberglass. It doesn't extend much more beyond this. But yeah. So, I'll get to it. Oh, and of course it's October 1st, and it's 86 degrees out, so it was warm today. So I'll probably do this in a couple days, finish it in a couple days, because it's going to be cooler then. I'll do a little bit in the morning before it gets too hot. If I get too heated, I'll just go jump in the pool. Okay, well, stay tuned for the next video. I don't know when it'll be. We'll be heading out in about a week to Kansas, heading that direction. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.